Power on. Well, that was really quick. Let me show you all of its components and put it together. First of all, this is the bucket that can take 5.5 gallons of water, and with 1-inch casters, very smooth with locking wheels. Great helper when you have all the water filled. This is the remote, a very compact and lightweight remote. The top assembly with the power cord and the water pump. The top assembly, another one, cover, and this is the like a vent that you can use this type of adapter, or optionally get this thing attached directly, and those are sloped shape, wedged shape, so they plug in like so. There are 4 of these. We can just do this. It does this as well. Or if you don't want such a widespread and more concentrated, you probably just want to use this thing. I really like the fact that the water can be added from the top without having to remove any of these covers. Okay, let's turn it on for the first time. Power on. Well, that was really quick. I did not expect this. Look at the mist. Let's try a different adapter and see how it works, what it looks like. Now the 4 nozzles, looks beautiful. Amazing product. And I can still moving it around easily thanks to its casters. It's pretty smooth. Angle can be freely adjusted, or it can be pretty minimum, just like this. It will stop working once the humidity level target is met. Let's try this. Let's lower the humidity level to 40%, and it stopped immediately. That is super effective. Let's test that again. Let's increase the target humidity level. 70%, and it's working fine. Now I'm gonna do that one again. 40%, stopped. So it's very reliable. I think this is a safety issue because you never wanna this massive commercial industrial grade humidity level humidifier to run continuously, right? It will emit 2 liters of water per hour. So it is a beast. And we have the temperature displayed right there. And we got a timer and a UV feature, lots of cool stuff. In the sleep mode, it does not turn on, so there will be no lighting pollution in the bedroom, right? All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.